Sometimes distance is just too great for replication or centralized backup, and traveling on site just doesn't make sense to quickly restore files. Having a separate backup software on the remote site sometimes isn't the answer either. Complexity, lifecycle management, and the ability just to have someone on site to restore the file can also lead to long delays. To the rescue, the NX1155 single node backup with one-click provisioning. Here we're showcasing foundation not only of the remote cluster, but also the backup solution fully integrated. With one simple checkbox, all the remote site information is set up for you to have your backup solution fully configured out of the box. The remaining hypervisor, storage controller IPs, and IPMI can be easily typed in, and away you go. A quick validation of the information you typed in is quickly done. Next up, we get ready to upload our ISOs for the AOS version and also the hypervisor that we want to install on our cluster. Here we'll run on the cluster ESXi. On the backup node, we will upload our newest AOS 5 image. We're almost to that favorite point where you can go to your favorite coffee or pizza place at that remote location. You have about 20 minutes while this does all the work for you. When you come back, you'll have a cluster configured, you'll have your backup configured, and all you need to do is start deploying virtual machines. The beauty of Foundation 2 is that everything is consistent through the use of automation, so troubleshooting when the need arises becomes very easy. This does help Nutanix achieve the highest support scores in the industry. With the cluster set up, we are ready to deploy machines. Logging into the newly configured cluster, we can check if our backup solution is fully configured. Here we have our 4-node cluster at the remote site. We can quickly go into the data protection area and check for a remote site. By looking at the remote site, we see that we're fully configured and we're ready to back up machines by putting them into protection domains. And you can easily configure any additional settings if you want to set up any bandwidth throttling, add in compression, or add in any additional storage mappings. With that, you're set up, configured, backups ready to go, and you can rest easy knowing that your virtual machines are easily protected.